Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question if you can still install the Windows Movie Maker. I mean the really old Windows Movie Maker from, I don't know when it was created, probably 2010, 2011 or even longer ago. Can you really install this one still in Windows 11 or not? I mean, it was already a challenge to do that in Windows 10 because at some point Microsoft discontinued the support. Yeah, here we can see that it was part of the Windows Essential 2012. And then at some point they discontinued the support and it was not possible to download it anymore. But there are a couple of different possibilities to download. And I've made a video about that in 2018 and I have put all the links into the video description so you can download it from here. It's a little bit strange, the web archive has been somehow offline for a while. Now I've tested it and it's possible to get it back. So when you click on that, by the way, I will put down the links also into this video, so you don't have to go back to the old video. You can use the links from this video. So when you click on the link, of course, YouTube will say, be careful, this site may be harmful. So then click on go to website. You click here. Yeah, it takes a while. This time it's saying website cannot be reached, but just be patient. I think it's still working on that because just 10 minutes ago I've been able to reach this site. So don't give up, just keep trying. Yeah, unfortunately this time I cannot reach the website, so probably it will show you a timeline. Then pick any year, maybe like say 2017, then pick months and then pick a day and then pick a time. And then when you click on it, it will download the file. But of course you can also use one of the copies which I've uploaded here to like Mega NC. And then you click on the installer. It's around 130 megabytes large. By the way, I've also checked it again for viruses just today, and there is really nothing when you download it from the original, and my file which I have on mega.nc is virus scanned anyway. So you click on download and install, and then you keep going. It will say download required files. And then it will say the following feature was successfully installed. Click on close, and then yeah, you have to keep going. Install Windows Essential recommended. Yeah, this is what you need. And then it will say it will install Windows Photos and the Movie Maker and those things. And after some time it will say it's done. And after that it will try to log in. I think this is the MSN chat or something like that, and it wouldn't work. So probably this is the moment when people are stopping and thinking, oh, I have to log in here and it's not working, and you keep trying sign in with the Microsoft account and it's not working. Probably there is something which they have stopped supporting. It's probably the Messenger, the old Microsoft Messenger. So this is not needed. This is just really from the Messenger. It has nothing to do with the Microsoft Movie Maker. So you can just click here and close it. And now when you hit the Windows key and type movie or Movie Maker, something like that, you will find it here. You can see that. I have it already open. I've added some video file. And now you can see I can even save it. I mean, I can really edit and then also produce the output. For example, really small output for email. I click on that. I click on save and you can see that it's really rendering it and saving it. I can open it, click on that and it will play. So it's definitely working 100%. I can guarantee. I've just made it a couple of minutes ago and I'm showing this in real life exactly the file which I've downloaded from Mega NC, so it's working. A lot of people have been commenting on my old video that it's not working anymore on Windows 11, and that's definitely not true. It's still working. I mean, of course, we have some alternate solution. When we search for video these days on Windows 11, Microsoft has built in something, and so you can get the old Photos Legacy, which I have just installed as well, of course. When I installed the old Movie Maker, it comes in the same package, the Photo Legacy, but you can also get the Clipchamp. That's the new version actually from the Microsoft Movie Maker. And that's the thing, I haven't tested it. You can see it has very bad ratings, or at least a lot of bad ratings, so I haven't tested it. Maybe I'll do that and compare this. But the old Movie Maker was really something really super nice, and I think still in 2022 it can be very helpful, especially when it comes to high compression. There is not much better than that, especially when it comes to high compression, when you need something which you can attach to an email or so, but also other things. It's a really good editor still in 2022, I would say, especially when you just want to do some simple things. So still highly recommended, and I'll put down the links where you can get it downloaded either from the Time Machine or from my mega.nc file. So that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or other solutions, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.